again, Teacher Mitch. Welcome back to another video lesson in Mathematics 6. This lesson is for week 7 of the second quarter, which is about subtracting integers, using models, and using basic subtraction rules, MELC-based. Learning goals. Describes and interprets the basic operations on integers using materials such as algebra tiles or chips and number line. Performs the basic operation on integers, specifically subtraction. Subtraction can be interpreted as take away or pagbabawas or pagmaminus. A zero pair is a pair of numbers that when added together equal 0. So, ang example ng zero pair ay isang positive at isang negative tile. Yan po yung ika-cancel natin dahil ang katumbas ay 0. Adding zero pairs doesn't change the value. May mga pagkakataon sa subtraction of integers na kailangan nating magdagdag ng zero pairs para makapag-minus tayo. Pero, hindi nun mababago ang value ng given. Example, we have positive tiles and zero pairs. Means, yung dalawang positive tiles or blue tiles equal to 2. And then yung pair ng positive at negative, 0. Another pair of positive and negative, 0. So, 2 plus 0 equals 2. Another one, we have 4 negative tiles and a pair of positive and negative. Means, negative 4 para sa apat na negative tiles and ang one pair of positive and negative equals 0. So, negative 4 plus 0, the answer is negative 4. Hindi nagbago ang ating isang aden. Subtracting integers using algebra tiles. So, pwedeng gamitin ang algebra tiles or chips. Step 1. Use algebra tiles or chips to model each integer. Step 2. Add zero pairs if needed. Step 3. Take away the number after minus sign. Step 4. Count the remaining tiles. Subtracting integers using number line. Step 1. Always start at 0. Step 2. If the subtrahend is a positive integer, move to the left on the number line. Ang subtrahend ay ang second number na ima-minus natin sa min-win. So, kapag positive integer ang given, ang movement natin ay to the left. So, opposite ng addition of integer. Kapag naman ang subtrahend ay negative integer, ang movement natin ay to the right. Ganon din, opposite siya ng addition of integer. Step 3. Where you end up is the answer. Example number 1. Positive 6 minus positive 4. Kung mapapansin natin, same sign or parehong positive ang ating given. Using integer tiles. Dahil positive ang ating given, gagamit tayo ng positive or blue tiles. So, kailangan natin ng 6 positive tiles. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then, ang ating subtrahend ay positive 4. So, babawasan natin ang positive 6 ng 4 positive tiles. So, i-cross out na lang natin. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, may natirang 2 positive tiles. Therefore, positive 6 minus positive 4 equals positive 2. Using number line. So, gamitin pa rin natin yung given, positive 6 minus positive 4 equals blank. Ang min-win natin ay positive 6. So, ibig sabihin, go 6 units to the right. So, tandaan kapag positive, pakanan. So, mag-start tayo sa 0. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Our min-win is positive 4. Pero, sabi dyan, go opposite direction. So, pag sinabing opposite, yung kabaligtaran ng positive 4. So, go 4 units to the left tayo. So, yung positive 4, magiging negative 4. So, mag-start tayo kung saan tayo nag-stop doon sa min-win. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, ano ang katapat na integer? We have positive 2. Therefore, positive 6 minus positive 4 equals positive 2. Same answer with using integer tiles. Example number 2. Negative 6 minus negative 4. So, pareho silang negative. Same sign din sila. Using integer tiles. Since negative ang ating given, kailangan natin ng red or negative tiles. So, para sa negative 6, kailangan natin ng 6. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ang ating subtrahend ay negative 4. So, i-minus natin siya doon sa negative 6. Cross out na lang natin. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, meron tayong natirang dalawang negative tiles. Therefore, negative 6 minus negative 4 equals negative 2. Using number line, same given tayo, negative 6 minus negative 4 equals blank. Ang ating min-win ay negative 6. So, ibig sabihin, go 6 units to the left. Dahil negative ang 6, kaya pakaliwa. So, mag-start tayo sa 0, pakaliwa. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ang ating subtrahend ay negative 4. Pero sabi dyan, go opposite direction. So, opposite kabaligtaran ng negative 4. Ibig sabihin, go 4 units to the right. So, ang negative 4 natin ay magiging positive 4. So, mag-start tayo doon sa huling integer na nag-stop tayo kanina. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. At ano ang katapat na integer? We have negative 2. So, therefore, negative 6 minus negative 4, the answer is negative 2. So, same answer din tayo sa integer tiles. Example number 3. Positive 3 minus negative 2. Kung mapapansin natin, different signs silang dalawa dahil ang isa ay positive, ang isa naman ay negative. Using integer tiles. Ang min-win natin ay positive 3. So, kailangan natin ng 3 positive or blue tiles. So, we have 1, 2, and 3. Ang ima-minus natin ay ang subtrahend which is negative 2. So, kailangan natin ng red tiles. Pero, wala tayo nun. So, kailangan natin mag-add ng 0 pairs. So, since dalawang negative ang kailangan natin, mag-add tayo ng dalawang 0 pairs. So, we have 1 and 2. So, meron na tayo negative 2. Now, take away the number after minus sign. So, i-minus na natin ang dalawang negative tiles or negative 2. So, i-cross out natin 1 and 2. So, meron tayong natirang 5 positive tiles. Therefore, positive 3 minus negative 2 equals positive 5. using number line. So, gamitin pa rin natin ang positive 3 minus negative 2 equals blank. Ang ating minuin ay positive 3, so ibig sabihin, go 3 units to the right. Mag-start tayo sa 0. Pakanan, 1, 2, and 3. Ang subtrahen natin ay negative 2. So, go opposite direction. Ibig sabihin, ang opposite ng negative 2 ay positive 2. Kaya, go 2 units to the right. So, mag-start tayo kung saan tayo natapos kanina sa ating minuend. Then, mag-move tayo ng 2 beses pa kanan. So, we have 1 and 2. Then, ano ang integer na katapat? We have positive 5. Therefore, positive 3 minus negative 2 equals positive 5. So, same answer as sa ating integer tiles. Example number 4. Negative 1 minus positive 4. So, different signs. Dahil ang isa ay negative, ang isa ay positive. Using integer tiles, ang minuin natin ay negative 1. So, kailangan natin ng negative or red tile. Ang ating subtrahend ay positive. So, ima-minus natin ang positive 4 sa negative 1. Yun nga lang, kailangan natin ng 4 na positive tiles. So, paano yun? Okay, add 0 pairs. Kailangan nating mag-add ng 0 pairs para magkaroon tayo ng 4 na positive tiles. So, tandaan, ang 0 pairs ay katumbas ng 0, kaya hindi magbabago ang ating given. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, meron na tayong 4 na positive tiles. Now, take away the number after minus sign. So, i-cross out na natin ang positive 4. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, ang natira ay 5 negative tiles. Therefore, negative 1 minus positive 4 equals negative 5. Using number line, negative 1 minus positive 4 equals blank. Ang ating minuend ay negative 1. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, go 1 unit to the left. So, pakaliwa tayo. Mag-start tayo sa 0. We have 1. Ang ating subtrahend ay positive 4. Go opposite direction. So, ano ang opposite ng positive 4? So, we have negative 4. So, ibig sabihin, go 4 units to the left. Pakaliwa. Ang positive 4 ay papalitan ng negative 4 sa subtrahend. So, mag-start tayo kung saan tayo nag-stop sa minuend at mag-move ng 4 units to the left. So, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. At ano ang katapat na integer? We have negative 5. Therefore, negative 1 minus positive 4 equals negative 5. Same answer din tayo sa integer tiles. Integers rules for subtraction. We have keep, change, change. So, dito, hindi na tayo gagamit ng models. So, tatandaan lang po natin itong keep, change, change. So, ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Number 1, keep the sign of the first number. Tandaan na ang first number natin ay ang minuin. So, pag sinabing keep, hindi na po natin papalitan. Kokopyahin na lang. Number 2, change the subtraction sign to addition. So, yung subtraction or yung minus sign, papalitan ng plus sign. Number 3, change the sign of the second number. Ang second number natin ay ang subtrahend. So, mag-change tayo ng sign. And then, kapag natapos na, babalikan natin yung adding integers. So, napaka-importante nun. If the signs are the same, add the integers and keep the common sign. If the signs are different, keep the sign of the bigger number and subtract the numbers. So yan po yung SATs. Same sign, mag-add. Different sign, mag-subtract. Pero ang susundin nating sign ay yung bigger number. Examples. Gamitin natin ang keep, change, change rule. And then followed by SATs rule. Positive 6 minus positive 4 equals n. Kung mapapansin natin, pareho silang positive. So, ano ang ating mean or first number? Keep. So, kopyahin ang positive 6. Next is change. Change minus to plus sign. Third is change. So, positive 4 change to negative 4. Now, different sign silang dalawa. So, magma-minus tayo. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And then, mataas ang 6, kaya positive 2 ang ating sagot. Negative 6 minus negative 4 equals n. Keep. Copy negative 6. Change. Change minus sign to plus sign. Change. Change negative 4 to positive 4. And then, compare natin, different sign silang dalawa. Kaya, subtract. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Pero, ang ating bigger number ay negative. Kaya, ang sagot natin ay negative 2. Next, positive 3 minus negative 2 equals n. Keep. Copy positive 3. Change. Change minus sign to plus sign. Kaya magiging plus. Change. Change negative 2 to positive 2. Now, compare. Same sign. Ang gagawin natin, add. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Positive 5 dahil parehong positive. Next, negative 1 minus positive 4 equals n. Keep. Kopyahin ang negative 1. Change. Change minus sign to plus sign. Change. Change positive 4 to negative 4. Now, compare. Pareho silang negative. So, same sign. So, add. Negative 1 plus negative 4 equals negative 5. Find the difference. Number 1. Positive 8 minus negative 5. Keep. Kopyahin ang positive 8. Change. Change minus to plus sign. Next, change ulit. Change negative 5 to positive 5. Now, compare. Same sign, add. 8 plus 5, parehong positive. The answer is positive 13. Number 2. Positive 16 minus positive 4. Keep. Kopyahin ang positive 16. Change. Change minus sign to plus sign. Change. Change positive 4 to negative 4. Now, compare. We have different sign. So, mag-minus tayo. 16 minus 4 equals 12. At ang mataas na number ay positive. Kaya, positive 12. Number 3. Negative 48 minus negative 18. Keep. Copy negative 48. Change. Change minus sign to plus sign. Change. Change negative 18 to positive 18. Now, i-compare natin. Different sign, subtract. So, negative 48 minus 18, the answer is negative 30. Negative dahil mas mataas ang 48 kaysa sa 18 at ang sign niya ay negative. Number 4. Negative 27 minus positive 27. Keep. Copy negative 27. Change. Change minus sign to plus sign. Change. Change positive 27 to negative 27. Now, compare natin. Same sign sila. So, mag-add tayo. Negative 27 plus negative 27, the answer is negative 54. Number 5. Negative 100 minus negative 5. Keep. Copy negative 100. Change. Change minus sign to plus sign. Change. Change negative 5 to positive 5. Now, compare natin different sign. So, subtract. Negative 100 minus positive 5, the answer is negative 95.